To make use of the View button within emails sent from HirePOS, navigate to Setup, Preferences, Email Templates. In an appropriate spot, add the View button placeholder from the Placeholders menu and press Save. To see the button in action, open up a booking or invoice that you wish to send and press the Email button towards the bottom of the screen. You can see here that the View button is now present in the email body. When the client receives the email, they will be able to click this button, which will take them to an online version of the document, complete with options to pay via credit card or direct deposit, as well as sign, print, download, and preview the PDF file. Please note that PIN payments must be activated on your account to enable a client to successfully pay via credit card. When the client opens the View link, the invoice will be marked as viewed in HirePOS, letting you know the client has seen it. For more information on email templates, PIN payments, and general setup around the email system, please see our other tutorials or visit the Help Center within the HirePOS app.